So hey you guys, welcome back, man. This is King Tony in the building, also known as G-Man Mechanic. So today we are checking out an F150 intake and throttle body. We're gonna head and clean this baby out, man. This is the air filter. I recommend you guys change your air filter on time. Change that air filter on time, man. That's the best thing you could do. I'm knocking out shakes out these things. Like, look how black dust coming out. It's crazy, man. Change it, please. Just watch this. Crazy. So I already taken out the air filter, so that showed me that everything else is gonna be dirty since this is really dirty. So I went ahead and take things apart, which is the intake hose that connects to the throttle body. As you can see, that throttle body was pitch black too. They have one port right here next to two ports right here next to the throttle body and the map sensor in the back. So we're gonna head and clean all these things out. So first, you guys go ahead, get you a ratchet. I think it's a 12 socket. No, a 10 millimeter. Take off 4 bolts. Please, you guys, I'm in a rush right now, so bear with me, please. Okay. So man, check this out, man. This thing is black, dirty. All of this is oil, dust, crud. This thing needs cleaning. So I already know this is a problem for the car. I already know that. I had to spray some throttle body cleaner inside because it was all black inside. Like, man. I'm gonna show you guys right here. It's all black, man. That's not good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the next port. I call these ports because it's not a sensor really. It's just like airflow from the valve cover. This is where the oil mainly comes from, right here. It's supposed to help cool down the engine, but it also bring up oil. So look at this right here. You can see it's fresh oil right here. I recommend you guys with F150s to put an oil, what's it called? A oil catch can. Please get a catch can. It helps out a lot in the long run, in the short run, everything. So go ahead and take off the map sensor. And basically this is it. When you clean off all these sensors, watch this right here. When you clean off all these sensors, put everything back in, tighten it up, you should be all set, man. That throttle body, I had to leave it out because it needs to change. I already know this was a problem. It got stuck, and since it got stuck, it needs to change. So you guys have a good day. Take care, and treat your car like how you would treat your kids, treat your family. You already know. Peace out, man. Real quick.